You don't need a cold plunge, a sunrise smoothie, and 48 bullet journal pages to fix your life. You need a routine that doesn't collapse the moment you wake up 10 minutes late. So here's a thought. Stop chasing perfection. Start chasing what actually works. Because let's face it, most people don't need more tips. They need a routine that slaps them awake before life does. Start here. Wake up early enough to not hate your own day. I'm not talking about monk mode at 3:47 a.m. I'm talking about beating the chaos by just enough to own your morning. Not waking up with your phone melting your brain. Not rolling into the day like a hostage to your inbox. Just 30 minutes. You, the silence, and the version of yourself you're trying to build. Neuroscience backs it. Your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decisions, is sharpest before dopamine takes over. Use that time or lose it. Next, move. Not because a fitness influencer guilt-tripped you, but because motion tells your brain, I'm not negotiating today. Walk, lift, sprint, stretch. Doesn't matter. What matters is this. Your body is either a weapon or a warning. Most people treat their body like an optional add-on to their brain. But every time you move, you're not just building strength. You're reminding yourself that you do hard things. Then, for the love of clarity, plan your damn day. Not in your head, on paper. Your brain isn't a storage unit. It's a processor. Treating it like a notepad is why you feel like you're drowning in tabs you forgot to close. So do this. Pick 3 priorities. Just 3, not 13. Not everything you should do, just the stuff that moves your life forward. Because productivity is not about doing more. It's about doing what matters without mentally combusting. Now eat like someone who doesn't hate themselves. Harsh? Maybe. True? Absolutely. Most people feed their body like it's a garbage disposal, then wonder why they can't focus for more than 6 minutes. Whole foods, water, protein. Not because it's trendy, because your brain runs on what you put in your mouth. Every bite is a vote. Focus or fog, energy or exhaustion. Your call. Next up, learn something. Anything. 5 pages. 10 minutes. A podcast that doesn't make you dumber. This isn't school. This is survival. In a world where everyone's distracted, focused learning is your cheat code. Feed your mind something that challenges it, not just content that flatters your biases. Neuroplasticity isn't a buzzword. It's your brain's way of saying, give me something useful, or I'll rot in mediocrity. Then, go outside. Yes, literally touch grass. Get sunlight. Breathe actual air. Look up from your screen long enough to remember you're on a planet, not just inside an app. Your nervous system isn't meant to be marinated in LED lighting. Sunlight boosts serotonin. Nature reduces cortisol. Stillness resets your system. 5 minutes out there is worth more than 30 doom scrolling inside. Now, do something difficult, on purpose. Cold shower, brutal workout. Calling the dentist you've been avoiding for 6 months. It doesn't matter what, it matters why. Because every time you face resistance head-on, your brain rewires. You grow, not from comfort, but from confrontation. You don't level up in your cozy zone. You level up when you run at the thing you usually run from. That's it. No toxic hustle. No spiritual detox kit. Just 8 habits. Simple. Brutal. Uncompromising. The kind of routine that makes you dangerous, in the best way. So tomorrow, what's it gonna be? Another day on autopilot? Or the start of something real? If this hit you where you needed it, hit that subscribe button. Or don't. But if you're serious about getting better, I'll be here, every step of the way.